Selling low-content books on Amazon KDP can bring you a significant income every single month. Not only that, but creating these books require little to minimal effort, they are super fun to create, and with the right strategy, you have the chance of starting to sell them from the very first week. Now, let's see how you can do that step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more videos on making money online and online business. Now, let's begin and learn how to start a new passive income stream in less than 15 minutes. First, let's understand what Amazon KDP really is, what low-content books are, where you can sell them, and how much you can actually make from selling them. If you go to Amazon.com and search for notebooks, journals, planners, simple activity books, coloring books, chances are that most of these are created with Amazon KDP and listed there to be printed as the customer buys them. So you don't need a stock for this product. Amazon prints it out and sends it to the customer once they make a purchase. This way you don't need to hire a publishing company, you don't need to have a huge stock of your product, and truly you barely need to put in any effort. Amazon just does the job for you. It's more about the brain behind it and the research strategy. You can do this from anywhere in the world. It takes 10 to 15 minutes to create a low content book, depends on the design and what you want to include in it. Once you create a book and you publish it, you can sell thousands of them without having to put in any more effort into it, and you don't need to invest anything in the Amazon platform. So how do you know which book sells best? Which one should you create? How do you ensure that you're not creating low content books that nobody will buy? Now that's pretty easy to me. You can use BookBolt. BookBolt is an amazing tool that helps you create low content books on Amazon in a super simple way by providing everything you need to do that from start to finish. It helps you analyze the competition, see how many sales each product got when it was created, so you know its popularity. You can see what keywords are popular on Amazon, what keywords people are searching for, so you can know the keywords that you include in your listing and more. So let's get started. Step number 1 is to create your BookBolt account and get your 3 days free trial using the link below. Once you're logged in, you can decide what you want to do next. And right now, we want to do our research to find the best-selling books options out there. The secret to being successful with Amazon KDP and BookBolt is to find low-content books that are really searched for, but that don't have a lot of competition. So this is what we need to look for. For this, you can't just pick the most popular niches and that's it. You can't just be like, I want to sell a notebook. Okay, you want to sell a notebook, but narrow it down. What should it be about? Who should it be for? Let's do our research to see exactly how we find the exact product we want to sell. So step number 2 is to start doing the research. Go to BookBolt and select Cloud. There, select the type of book you want to search from the drop-down. Notebook, journal, music sheets, calendar, planner, coloring book, sketchbook, etc. Then add some keywords. For example, let's research some notebooks for pet owners, such as Taffy owners, Golden Retriever owners, etc. Once you click search, you'll see a bunch of results along with their estimated monthly sales and publishing date. Those are the ones that you want to keep an eye on. For every result, you can also see their pricing history and also add them to favorite. After you're happy with those statistics and you got an idea of what you want to sell, you need to go to Amazon.com to see the competition. Write the same keywords or some that you've selected from the bestsellers and see how many results you get. The lower, the better. And be sure to click on the next pages to ensure that the number of the results is accurate. Another example can be gratitude journal for women with flowers, with Bible verses or something else. You can try coming up with your own idea. For example, let's think of a cover that says, "Today I'm grateful for," and to create a cover like that for your journal, and having to write 10 things on each page, for example. Step number 3, to get even better ideas of the keywords that you want to use and what people are searching for on Amazon, go to Keywords, Search, type in your desired keyword and click search. Then you'll be able to see the Amazon most trending keywords and use those for your search. Try those keywords again inside the Amazon search bar to determine the competition and favor the keywords that you want to save and use for your product. For example, 1 minute gratitude journal, kids gratitude journal, etc. Once you've checked the monthly sales, the keywords, the stats, the bestsellers, so you know what people are searching for, the type of cover that they prefer, then you can go ahead and start creating your own book inside BookBolt Studio for step number 4. Go to your profile, BookBolt Studio, and select the project type, paperback, cover, and interior. Add a project name and select your desired size. For this step, check the size and page number of the most popular listings, the ones that sell best. It's a clear indicator that most people want to purchase that size. For the gratitude journal, it is 6 and 9 inches. Choose the paper type and page number and click Create Project. Once you do this, you will see the cover design inside BookBolt Studio. You can see the barcode location for the back cover, so be sure not to include any important text or details right there. Next, let's create a design for the cover using stock images and text. You can watch my process here and see how I added the images, text, and more for the front cover as well as for the back cover. For step number 5, you will need to design the interior of the book inside BookBolt Studio. This really depends on what you want the interior to be. For that, you have the interior templates library that you can use. You can search for your desired keyword or pick one from the first page. For example, there is one template available for the gratitude journal, but it's not quite what I'm looking for. So I will design my own by choosing a different template and then adding my own text. Here is the result. Then, to apply this page to the entire book, just click apply to all pages and you're all set. That's what makes creating low content books special. They take minutes to create and then you can sell them thousands of times. You create them digitally, but then they sell physically because Amazon prints them out for your customer and sends it out to them. Now that's pretty amazing if you ask me. Step number 6, download your project from download and download current project. This will download a zip folder that you'll need to extract that will have two main files, the cover file and the content file. Now, once you're ready for step number 7, you need to go to kdp.amazon.com and create your KDP account. If you have one already, just sign in. Click on create paperback, and fill out all the details by making sure you select low content books and select the category of your low content book. You can then save and continue. You can publish without an ISBN and they will generate one for you. Choose the paper details and size and then upload the manuscript, aka the interior of the book. This will be the project that you downloaded from BookBolt. So again, extract the folder you got from BookBolt and upload the interior PDF right here. Then for the cover, select that you want to upload a cover that you already have and upload the cover PDF you got from BookBolt. It's just that simple. Select the use of AI in your book and then go ahead and preview your book to make sure everything is perfect after that. Once you do that, in the next step, you'll need to choose your pricing and make sure you add that by looking at your competitors' pricing and compete with those as you are a new seller without reviews. When you choose your price, you'll be able to see your profit, so exactly how much you will make from selling one book. And there you have it. This is how you start making passive income with Amazon KDP and BookBolt from home or from wherever you are in the world. It can take Amazon up to 72 hours to approve your book and publish it for sale. Now, if this business model is for you and you're ready to start your journey with Amazon KDP and BookBolt, make sure to use code Lydia20 for 20% off your BookBolt subscription. BookBolt is the way to go if you want to make things a lot easier when it comes to publishing your own low content books on Amazon and researching the ones that people actually want to purchase. I believe they are the way to go as they provide all the tools you need to be successful even from the beginning. Of course, besides using BookBolt, you need determination, you will need to keep at it, create and publish more books all the time to ensure getting sales and growing your business. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos weekly, and I will see you in my next video.